Industries in India face challenges in handling and transporting large volumes of minerals in economic and environment-friendly way. SAVEECO Energy India Private Limited, a pioneer and solution provider in the field of air pollution, pneumatic conveying, and SOx and NOx abatement systems with world-best European technology partners. We, in partnership with STAG, Switzerland, jointly developed and demonstrated cost and environment-effective technological solution towards transportation and handling of all minerals like fly ash, cement, lime, coal, alumina, etc., meeting RDSO standards. A typical BTAP wagon is designed and manufactured as a pressure vessel with fluidizing arrangement at the bottom, along with 3 ports on both the sides for air inlet and material outlets. Each BTAP wagon is manufactured with a partition plate in the middle to equally divide it into 2 parts for 2 outlets. The dry fly ash unloading mechanism mainly consists of BTAP wagons, compressors, piping, various types of automated valves, dedusting system, including electrical and PLC control system. Ideally, a BTAP wagon unloading station shall be placed between 2 railway tracks to ensure the possibility of placement of equal wagons on both tracks. However, various other combinations are possible depending upon layout, feasibility drive, and the best combination of 25 or 26 wagons rack. Air hose and material hoses are connected manually on 3 ports of each wagon. Both the top manholes fitment, tightness, and closing on each wagon to be checked physically before the system starts. The wagon is allowed to get pressurized around 2 bar, keeping material outlet valves closed. Once wagon pressure reaches around 2 bar, both outlet valves open to allow material to transport through closed pipes to storage silo. The same procedure is repeated till all wagons are emptied. Upon the completion of the task, safe and spillage-free delivery is guaranteed. At SAVEECO Energy, we believe in the power of partnership.